Welcome friends, this is Atanu Chaudhary of SureSolve. This time it will be trigonometry and today we will solve all the 10 questions of SSC CGL solution set 2 on trigonometry from suresolve.com. Let's solve the first question. Question 1 is, if theta greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree and 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos theta equal to 3, then the value of theta is option A 30 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 45 degree and option D 75 degree. Approach the problem head on. Substitute sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and convert the given equation to a quadratic equation purely in cos theta. 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta equal to 3. Or 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now factorize the quadratic equation into its two factors, 2 cos theta minus 1 multiplied by cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. This will give two possible values of cos theta. Cos theta is either half or 1. For cos theta equal to 1, theta equal to 0 degree. And this violates the given condition of theta greater than 0 degree. So cos theta equal to 1 by 2. That means theta equal to 60 degree. Okay, so our answer to the first problem is option B 60 degree. Next question now. Question 2 is, if sin theta equal to a by root over a square plus b square, then the value of cot theta will be option A b by a, option B a by b, option C a by b plus 1 and option D b by a plus 1. The quickest way to get the value of cot theta from given value of sin theta is to use the direct relation 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta equal to a square plus b square by a square, inverting sin theta and squaring it. Or cot square theta equal to a square plus b square by a square minus 1 equal to b square by a square. Take a square root and ignore negative value as it is out of choices. So cot theta equal to b by a, right? Remember, use of tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta and cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta generally are the quickest way to solve a problem when sec theta tan theta and cosec theta cot theta are involved. Answer is option A b by a. Next question. Question 3 is, if tan theta equal to 3 by 4 and theta greater than 0 and less than pi by 2 and 25x sin square theta cos theta equal to tan square theta, then the value of x is option A 7 by 64, option B 9 by 64, option C 3 by 64 and option D 5 by 64. Simplify direct expression first before substituting the given value. This will always solve the problem faster. In the direct expression, first cancel out sin square theta, take the lone cos theta to the RHS and then express cos theta as sec theta. You will get 25x sin square theta cos theta equal to tan square theta converted to 25x equal to sec cube theta purely in terms of sec theta. Why sec theta? Because sec theta is related directly to tan theta and the value of tan theta is given, right? Now get the value of sec theta from the given expression. Sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus 9 by 16 equal to 25 by 16. Or sec theta equal to 5 by 4. Negative value of sec theta is invalid here because theta is a positive acute angle. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive, you know. Substituting this value of sec theta equal to 5 by 4 in the changed direct expression, you get 25x equal to 5 cube by 4 cube. Or x equal to 5 by 64. Answer is Option D 5 by 64. Next question then. Question 4 is, if x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to root over x square plus y square and cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square equal to 1 by x square plus y square, then option A, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Option B, x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Option C, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. And option D, x square by b square minus y square by a square equal to 1. Compare the target expression with the given expression. There is no square root in the target expression, and so straightway raise the given expression to its square. X square sin square theta plus y square cos square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta equal to x square plus y square. Collect the two terms of x square and y square together. X square multiplied by 1 minus sin square theta plus y square multiplied by 1 minus cos square theta plus 2xy sin theta cos theta equal to 0. Or x cos theta plus y sin theta whole square equal to 0. Or x cos theta equal to minus y sin theta. This is the most important relation that would help to solve the problem quickly. Now explore what happens if you cross multiply the LHS of the second equation with x square plus y square and substitute y square sin square theta for x square cos square theta and x square cos square theta for y square sin square theta. In the expanded sum, each of the terms x square by b square and y square by a square gets a factor of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 with RHS as 1. Answer becomes option B. Let's show you the steps in details for better understanding. Cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Or x square cos square theta by a square plus x square sin square theta by b square plus y square cos square theta by a square plus y square sin square theta by b square equal to 1. Now substitute y square sin square theta for x square cos square theta and x square cos square theta for y square sin square theta and collect the like terms together to form the two factors. Or x square by b square plus y square by a square multiplied by sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Or x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. If you are able to see through this possibility, the problem can be solved very quickly without deductions. Answer is option B, x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Next question. Question 5 is, the value of sin square 1 degree plus sin square 3 degree plus sin square 5 degree plus plus sin square 87 degree plus sin square 89 degree is option A 22, option B 22 half, option C 23 and option D 22 1 by 4. By the knowledge of complementary angles, you know that sin theta equal to cos 90 degree minus theta for positive and acute angle theta. Using this knowledge, you can very conveniently form sum of pairs of terms with value 1. One example is sin square 1 degree plus sin square 89 degree equal to cos square 89 degree plus sin square 89 degree equal to 1. The question is, how many terms does the expression have and how many such pairs you can form? Make a test. Without counting, this is the easiest way. Take an odd pair of integers, say 1 and 9. How many odd numbers are there in this range, including the range ends 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9? That is 9 plus 1 by 2 equal to 5 in number. If you include the next odd integer 11, still the formula is right. 11 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 6. So by induction you know the number of terms from 1 to 89 will be 89 plus 1 by 2 equal to 45. And you can form 22 pairs with sine square 45 degree equal to half, the middle term left alone without any partner. The value of the expression is then 22 and half. Answer is option B, 22 and half. Next question. Question 6 is, the minimum value of cos square theta plus sec square theta is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2 and option D 3. You know that the value of cos theta ranges from -1 to +1 with absolute intermediate values less than 1. In other words, cos theta greater than equal to -1 and less than equal to +1. Or cos square theta greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Just for convenience, assume cos square theta equal to 1 by x, where the positive real variable x is greater than equal to 1. Substitute in the given target expression and you get 1 by x plus x equal to x square plus 1 divided by x, where x greater than equal to 1. As x greater than equal to 1 and numerator grows much faster than the denominator with increasing values of x, the expression will have minimum value when x has minimum value of 1. So, the minimum value of expression will be 2. Answer is option C, 2. It is good to know that in general the sum of inverses of positive real variable p, that is p plus 1 by p, is always 2. Next question then. Question 7 is, if cos theta plus sec theta equal to 2, with theta greater than equal to 0 degree and less than equal to 90 degree, then the value of cos 10 theta plus sec 11 theta is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2 and option D -1. Identifying that it is infeasible to derive the value of the target expression deductively from the given expression, you know that you have to find the exact value of theta from the given expression directly and substitute it to the target expression. That is the only way to solve this problem. The given expression is cos theta plus sec theta equal to 2. Express the given equation wholly in terms of cos theta and simplify. To get cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to cos theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Or cos theta equal to 1 giving theta equal to 0 degree. So cos 10 theta plus sec 11 theta equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Answer is option C, 2. Next question. Question 8 is, if tan theta equal to 3 by 4 and theta is acute, then cosec theta is equal to option A 5 by 3, option B 5 by 4, option C 4 by 3 and option D 4 by 5. This is an easy problem. First we'll invert tan theta equal to 3 by 4 to cot theta equal to 4 by 3 and then we'll get the value of cosec theta by the relation cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1 equal to 16 by 9. Or cosec square theta equal to 25 by 9. So cosec theta equal to 5 by 3. Answer is option A, 5 by 3. Next problem. Question 9 is, if sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta equal to 3, then the numerical value of sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta is option A, half, option B, 2 by 5, option C, 3 by 5, and option D, 4 by 5. We'll simplify the given expression first. Adding 1 to both sides, subtracting 1 from both sides, and taking the ratio of the two, we get tan theta equal to 2. This is application of the powerful method of componendo dividendo. Now simplify the target expression by breaking it up into its two factors. Sin square theta plus cos square theta multiplied by sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. You have already tan theta equal to 2. So tan square theta equal to 4 equal to sec square theta minus 1. Or sec square theta equal to 5. So cos square theta equal to 1 by 5. So target expression value is 1 minus 2 cos square theta equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. Answer is option C, 3 by 5. The last question now. Question 10 is, the minimum value of 2 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is option A, 0, option B, 3, option C, 2, and option D, 1. Target expression is 2 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 2 times sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta equal to 2 plus cos square theta. Minimum value of cos square theta being 0, the minimum value of the target expression is then just 2. Answer is option C, 2. To read the detailed solutions, refer to the corresponding article in our website suresolve.com. Link is given in the description of this video. And please do subscribe to our channel for latest uploads. Thanks for watching.